In this video, I'll show you how to give delegate access in GoDaddy. First, log in to your GoDaddy account using your details. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top right corner and hover over your account name. A menu will open. From there, click on Account Settings. This is where you can manage different parts of your account, including delegate access. Now, look for the delegate access in the left side panel and click on it. On this page, you'll see a section called People who can access my account. This is where you can add and manage people who have access to your GoDaddy account. To add someone, click on Invite to Access. A pop-up will appear asking for the person's name and email address. Make sure you enter the correct details, because GoDaddy will send the invitation to that email. After that, choose the access level you want to give them. You can select options like Domains Only, Products and Domains, or Full Access, depending on how much control you want to give. Once you've selected the right access level, click Invite. The person will then receive an email from GoDaddy with a link to accept the invitation. Ask them to check their inbox and accept it, and after that, they'll be able to access your account with the permissions you selected. And that's it. That's how you can give delegate access in GoDaddy. Thanks for watching.